welcome to MedX channel. Today we are going to talk about gut-brain axis. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Gut-brain axis, it is bidirectional communication. Bidirectional communication system between the gut and the brain or CNS. It play a major role in homeostasis and regulation of the immune function. Homeostasis and regulation of immune functions. Okay, it is done by a key components of gut-brain axis are like CNS, as brain and spinal cord send the gut signals through the autonomic pathway. And there is enteric nervous system, which is known as second brain. It has a network of about 10 million neurons in the gut wall. 10 million neurons in the gut wall. It controls digestion, peristalsis, and secretion. Number 3, the autonomic nervous system. As we mentioned before, it has a role in gut-brain axis, as it includes sympathetic and parasympathetic. Sympathetic nervous system, it is fight or flight, and this is parasympathetic, rest and digest. It regulates gut motility and secretions. Regulates gut motility and secretions. Okay. Number 4, there is hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis. It controls stress response, as when there is increased stress, there is stimulation of sympathetic nervous system. When there is decrease in the stress, there is stimulation of parasympathetic nervous system. Okay, number 2, how does the hypothalamic pituitary axis control stress? By secretion of ACTH, which led to activation of cortisol level from the adrenal gland, which is the hormone of the stress. Okay. Number 2, affects gut permeability and the inflammation during stress. Gut permeability and inflammation during stress. can increase stress level, can increase cortisol level, which increase the risk of stress ulcer. Okay, let's talk about number 5. Number 5, it is immune system. It is associated with gut associated lymphoid tissue, which interacts with CNS through cytokines. Number 6, microbiota. Microbiota, it is multiple microbes in the gut produce neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, and GABA. And those can modulate inflammation in the body. Okay, how does the communication of those work? Okay, first, neural pathway through the vagus nerve, which connect brain to gut. It carries signals both ways, gut to brain and the brain to gut. This is the vagus nerve. And hormonal, number 2, hormonal pathway are gut hormone like ghrelin and peptide YY. And cholecystokinin influence appetite. This can cause balance in the all hormones. Okay, cholecystokinin can influence the appetite, mood, and the energy balance. Okay. Number 3, the immune and the inflammatory pathway. This is by cytokines and the immune cells, which can influence both gut and the brain. This regulation may contribute to depression and anxiety, and the IBS, which is called irritable bowel syndrome. Okay. Number 4, microbiota derived metabolites like short chain fatty acid, those affect inflammation and the brain function. Tryptophan metabolism affects serotonin level. Tryptophan metabolism affects serotonin level. Okay, let's about clinical prevalence. There is some disorder associated with gut-brain axis dysfunction. Gut-brain axis dysfunction. Like irritable bowel syndrome, depression, and anxiety, Parkinsonism, if there is decrease in dopamine, autism, chronic fatigue. What are the major therapy? It is probiotic and prebiotics. Probiotics and prebiotics. And psychobiotic therapy. Psychobiotic therapy, which when there is decrease in serotonin or dopamine level. Stress management, and fecal microbiota transplantation. Fecal microbiota transplantation. I hope you got benefit from this lecture. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.